There's a lot of hype around barefoot running. It's not really barefoot usually, and because there's this barefoot type shoe. But let's examine the benefits and drawbacks. You need the gym to get in the best shape of your life. What is barefoot running then if it's not just no shoes? Barefoot running is either running, we're going to substitute the word training here with absolutely no shoes or minimal material shoes so that your feet muscles function better and help you balance more. There are 52 5-2 bones in the feet, and the foot is responsible for propelling you forward. They always say there are two things that mess with your life: if your teeth hurt or your feet hurt. So, how do you strengthen them and train barefoot without issues? First things first, go slow. Start by just walking around barefoot or with minimal padding on your feet. The human body is designed for no external feet support. Your feet are meant to do a job. Padding, big bulky shoe padding, the kind of takes the job away and makes you feel lazy. Strength gains within the feet can help you improve your proprioception or awareness, help your body in space, balance, and even body alignment. Barefoot running has pros and cons, just like anything else. Wearing shoes actually weakens the muscles, tendons, and ligaments in your feet. They also prevent the natural arches from working. However, overuse injuries from how your feet drag the ground are common in barefoot running shoes because normally we rely on the padding and striking the foot with the heel first. Normal padding shoes is fine, but without the extra padding, that applies an excess pressure to your bones, joints, ligaments, and tendons. This leads to ankle, knee, and hip issues. In addition, cushion shoes promote a lot of dorsiflexion and plantar flexion, which, by the way, will dramatically slow you down when you run. And overuse injuries are common because they result from repeatedly performing an incorrect movement. Heel strength. Running on your heels causes discomfort, inflammation, and pain. Ow! If you pair proper training techniques with shoes that have your an ankle in a neutral position, and that'll be better and help prevent any biomechanical issues. Improper footwear is linked to a lot of injuries like plantar fasciitis and stress fractures. Now that we've talked about the possible benefits of barefoot running, it can be the barefoot or minimal shoes material. Let's talk about possible drawbacks. Some cons of this type of training are, and the obvious one, that you feet are at high risk of injury from outside things like dropping a weight or something, and that hurts in normal shoes anyway. But stubbing your toe, it hurts even worse in barefoot shoes, or if you're not wearing shoes. Believe me, I can tell you from experience. Now, the last one is potentially a good thing, but potentially not so good. It draws a lot of attention. People aren't used to seeing barefoot shoes, and they question you like crazy and stare. Anyway, if you would like this video, like the video, leave a comment for the algorithm, even if you just say for the algorithm, and live longer, feel better, and life to your years.